Okay, today's video is really just about unboxing my new toy, which is a Canon SL2 or 200D as they're known in the UK. I'm filming this using my Fujifilm FinePix camera and decided that I wanted something a little bit more upmarket, and I've been researching on YouTube over the last month or so to see what's available which would suit what I actually want from a camera and my actual budget. I'll give a shout out to Chris Winter Photography, who did a great review of the Canon SL2 versus the Nikon D5-600, which was the other camera I was considering, and he did a great review on those two cameras. My choice for going with the Canon finally ended up because of its ability to do better video photography. I'd also like to give a shout out to Tech Gear Talk, who's done some excellent videos with regards to specific cameras, and in this case it was the Canon SL2, not only for the review on the camera, but also he did an excellent review on lenses for Canon SL2. So yeah, good, as I say, shout out to those two guys. So without further ado, I will now open the parcel and let's see what's inside. Quite excited about this actually. So just get rid of the packaging there. So far, very good. Those out of the way. So there it is, the Canon EOS 200D. First time I'm seeing this in the flesh. So we've got the manual. Quite a comprehensive book by the looks of it. Warranty card, and inside the box it comes with the battery, it comes with the charging unit. That's the other part of the charging unit. We've got the camera. I'm assuming this is the camera lens, which it is, and that should be an 18-55 standard kit lens. Of course it comes with a Canon strap, and hopefully, last but not least, this should be the camera body itself. So we'll see how this compares to the camera I've been using for a long time, which, as I say, is the Fujifilm FinePix. So there it is. That's the Canon SL2, or in this case the EOS 200D, which is a UK model. So there we are. There's all the component parts. Take the lens out and have a look at this too. Okay, so this is the 18-55 standard kit lens. And there we are. There's the camera all ready for use. Well, it will be once I've fitted the battery to it. So there we are. Looks pretty good to me, feels nice in the hand, it's got really nice grips on it. The camera's got a flip screen on the back, So you can open up the flip screen, you can turn that around, so if you're doing video work, obviously, and the camera's facing towards you, you can see what you're actually filming. So that's a really nice feature on this. And of course, when you're not using it, you can fold it away, and it's all hidden away at the back there. All the standard features. I'll probably do more video on this once I've had a chance to play with the camera for a while. But there we are. So that's the, as I say, the Canon EOS 200D. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I will probably do another review once I've got used to actually using the camera. Okay, thanks.